they want to pop on, y'all. I'm trying to put on another shirt so I can be ready for my next video. You know, something on top. Don't worry about what's on the bottom. Hey Qandyland, welcome new subscribers. Thank y'all for clicking on this video. Okay, I have a small Temu haul. So let's just get into it. I'm Sweet Juicy, Sweet Mama with Sweet Juicy's Athleisure Life. And we're just gonna get into the video. One second, get into the video. So, as I was saying in my last video, I'm now able to work with Temu like on a small scale. But y'all, if y'all go back and remember seeing all my Temu, what about me? Collab with me and all those postables I used to make. So now on a small scale, I'm able to, you know, kind of work with them from those videos. And now that I have my viewership up, they now they working with me a little bit, you know, on a small scale as of now, for now, y'all. So I'm grateful to get this stuff through my seating balance with Temu. So with a seating balance, you know, after I posted all my other videos and they've been up for months. And when I submitted that information to Temu and all of that, you know, I was able to get some credit to get a few things. And so once I got the few things I got, I still had like a balance left. And I thought that I could just go into other categories and get those items. However, you have to use the total amount of money in one category. So I had a balance, and since then I've had some money added to the balance. But now, you know, as I'm learning how to work this thing, the next time when I use my balance, I'll use it all in one category. But just so happened it wasn't enough things in this specific category that I wanted, or maybe it was, but I thought I could go back and, you know, jump around and get stuff. Because you don't just get stuff from, oh, I never got the bags. I guess you get the bags when you working with them. Okay, y'all, let's get into this video. And so, y'all, I've learned also to tell y'all, if you go to the search bar on Temu and type in my code FAV8817, then you'll get the you can use that code if you're a new user, your first time on Temu, or you're a new user, or download the app as a new user. You get to get some savings. Now I haven't went over to see what's the newest savings. The last time when I posted a video, a Temu haul, I believe was at 50% off for new users that download the app. And lately I've been seeing other content creators say it's 30% off. You get $100 coupon bundle, you know, to use on future purchases. You know, not $100, not $100 at one time, but coupons that you can use on your orders, like that. So what I have here is I got something for my lunlons, and it says I get my attitude from, well, pretty much all of the women I'm related to. So yes, one of the girls like pink and one of them like purple. So I got one pink one. I got this in size 7-8, and I'll post the price here, but I think it was like maybe $3.69. So I'll post the price there. Let me see, this material is maybe it's cotton polyester. I'm not sure. It's not a cotton shirt though. That much I know. It's just not cotton, but it's nice and soft. And I know my lunlons are going to love it. I guess I'll put it back in the package since I got a package, honey. And let's see, where's the other one? Okay. I'll just match up their things and put them in the package. But I got packages. Temu, y'all finally did me right. Because this one just says the same thing. I get my attitude from, well, pretty much all of the women I'm related to. So, yeah. My lunlons. I know my big lunlon, the oldest lunlon, she's just like Sweet Juicy in so many ways. Yes. So, one likes purple and one likes pink. So I got them some bottoms. And again, those tops, I believe, are size 7 or 7, 8. I guess is how they run. And I got them the little leggings. And these are unicorns and stars. Look like they got snowflakes and diamonds. And I thought this color in here would match the shirt, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like this is a Christmas tree on there too. It looks like it's navy blue. I mean, it looks like the pants are navy blue, but I think this part that's gray, I must have thought it was going to be lavender. So I might have to get them a different shirt, or if they wear bows or something, you know, wear bows on their hair, I'll make it blend. Gonna make it blend some type of way. So yes, I'm gonna make that go with the purple one. That'll be for the youngest line. Y'all, I got bags, and then I was trying to get them both the exact same thing, but it was not, because this one is so pretty, they would not let me get the same, two of the same things. I had to get a different one. And these are so cute, and they have unicorns, flowers, and all that. It looks like the other pair is more winter. This looks more summer. So it's unicorns and flowers, stars. Yes, they're cute. And they have more of a pink, so this will go with the pink shirt. So I don't know how that's gonna go with the Lulons. I don't know how that's gonna go. I don't know. I never know. I have to just coax them into it, you know? Okay, and then I got bags, y'all. She got bags. Okay, and then I was able to get, because that was like from the clothesline, because they have online campaigns. So the products I chose was like a fall clothes section, I think. Fall clothes. So I got me one outfit. And it's a warm-up set, like a hoodie set. What? Okay. And y'all see what it say? You know what? IDGAF, like I don't give a. But for me, y'all know I'm wearing it because it's edgy, and they people will be like, I know she ain't got that on, and she's supposed to be. So I made something up. I'm dedicated, grateful, appreciative, and fun. So that's what mine stands for, y'all. So, okay. I'm dedicated, grateful, appreciative, and fun. IDGAF instead of I don't give a. You can make me what you want to. You understand me? Okay, let me give y'all a good description. Okay, it's the sweatpants with the bottom. The drawstring. Does the drawstring work? Yes, the drawstring works. They're black. They're not your typical sweatpants material like that we used to wear, like I want to say cotton or something. It's more like polyester, you know, shiny material. But I knew that, and I didn't mind that. I wanted this. And y'all, let me show the elastic waist. And I bought a size small. I think this may have been maybe $19 for the set. And so it comes with the hoodie that says the same thing and much bigger. So I don't know, I don't care, I don't GAF, but I don't know what I'm gonna make these say, because I'm gonna have to change what this means to this, but not really, because I can still say I don't know, I don't care. I'm dedicated, grateful, appreciative, and fun. I can make it do what I want it to do. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on, and I'm just gonna try it on like this, y'all. No minus Spanx. And again, this is a size small. So, oh, I want extra small. Y'all know I want this to be tight. Okay, let's see. The leg is a little loose, but I always, when I wear these kind of pants or something, I always structure them up to make them even shorter, because it's looking like they're kind of short for my height. Anyway, they're kind of short, and so I just structure them up. And then we put this hoodie on. And I was saying I wanted it to be tight, but I like how it fits. It's tight enough. It's tight enough. When I used to wear my other brands hoodie sets like this, I used to give them an extra small. Of course, at that time I was smaller too, so all right, girl. I still want this to fit tighter. I would much rather want to fit tighter, but this is a comfortable fit. This makes sense. It makes sense, especially if you like it loose. And see, it didn't come in extra small. So Let's see. This is like a comfortable fit. Don't be looking. No spanks. But yeah, I like this pretty. No, I like it enough, y'all. I'm gonna wear it. I wonder could I might wear this for Thanksgiving. But I'm going to church, so I don't know if I even want to play with them like this at church, because you know how I know she didn't wear it at the church, but anyway. It feels comfortable, it's warm, and I probably can wear my new boots with it. Let me see. The stuff on here, I'm not sure. The stuff that's on here, I don't know if it'll wash off in the wash or not, but I'll wash it, lightly with cold water and hang it up so that'll last. So it's real cute to me. I'm trying to think about if I had a vest or something. Let me just dress it up. Let me see how it looks dressed up, y'all. Okay, this is how I dressed it up. Got my Temu earrings on, my sunglasses, put on this black and red puffer jacket, and my regular juicy ring. And so this is how I have it. And I do have it on with the boots, but I don't think I wear them. Let me show y'all. Let's take this out. Let me show y'all something. Okay. I don't think I'd wear it with the boots though. Because see how I said I was gonna roll it up? Because they are. Let's see. You see how it's loose right there? So I don't have nothing but no choice but to just kind of swoosh them up, and that's how I would wear them anyway. When I wear joggers, jogging pants or joggers or whatever this is how I wear them. I know this is the most unflattering angle to be doing a video, a picture, anything in. But so I just have my hood here. If I need to wear my hood. And this jacket doesn't have any pockets, so I could just do this like that. Thank you, Temu, for letting me work with you to get this first set of items. And I hope that y'all that was watching this Temu haul, that you would like my outfit or the things I got for the girls and decide to get you one. And get you one of these. You can make it mean what you want it to mean. And then you might be the kind that's like, I don't know, I don't care, and I don't give a. You could be that kind. But I like it because it's edgy. And I want somebody to ask me so I can tell them I'm dedicated, grateful, appreciative, and fun. I don't know, and I don't care. Okay, so Temu, they have free returns up to 90 days. You can free shipping. Let's see what else. They have everything. They have clothes for women, men, children. They have stuff for pets. They have adult items, you know. And they have stuff, automotive stuff for the car, skin, hair, and nails, all that stuff. They have stuff for your skin. They have perfume. They have, if you run a business, they have business supplies like mailers and, you know, poly mailers and packaging and boxes and stuff like that. I'm a hairstylist. I bought supplies from them. I mean, supplies, not hairspray and stuff like that, which I'm sure they may have that, but I'm talking about stuff like combs, just all kind of stuff for the beauty shop, as well as probably, beauty shop tools like flat irons and curlers, things like that. Let's see. I'm sure you can buy towels, so you can get stuff for the home, kitchen. You can get workout equipment, like small workout equipment. Last one I was saying I don't think they sell cars yet or cell phones, but I don't know, because they might sell cell phones. But you know, Temu, they got it all. If you can't find it somewhere, come to Temu. Okay, and they do have deodorants, toothpaste, stuff you can use to whiten your teeth, and types of deodorant. I did say perfume. Just lighting lamps and fans. I don't think they sell food, but they might have some kind of snacks. I'm not sure, but just about everything you want, they have it. And if you use the camera, it's a little camera that's in your search bar. So if you see something somewhere and you want it, you take a picture of it. Then when you come to the Temu app, you just push that camera button up there, and then it'll scan your photos or your videos or whatever you have in there. I think your photos, and then it'll show you once you let it scan whatever the item you're looking for. It'll show you if that store has that. So that's one other little thing that you could use to find stuff that you want to find. Just giving you that nugget. So I hope that helps. And again, use my code FAV88817 and shop Temu. And y'all, right now is a good time to shop Temu. This week, Thanksgiving week, so you can get your items, you know, this week, get your items, and so you have them before Christmas. Okay, let's see. And again, thank you, Temu. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this outfit. And I'm not gonna wear it with the boots because it just doesn't go with the boots to me. So I would just put it on with some regular tennis shoes. Yes, and it's getting hot. Let me see what's in here. It is like some fleece type material in here, so you will be able to stay warm. Okay, y'all. Well, that's it. Thank you, Temu. I look forward to doing more of these videos as I learn more about how, you know, working with them goes. And I'm just grateful for what I got this time. Again, I'm dedicated, grateful, appreciative, and fun. Okay, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.